Still on the AM show, it's time for us to talk some showbiz. And yesterday, the Black Star International Film Festival opened up and tons of movies have come in, and it's going to be a beautiful screening, workshops, education, and also making sure that the film industry here in Ghana and Africa is getting some attention. Well, I was there as usual, and the ambassador together with the director of the festival are so excited about the fact that this year's theme is Job for the Youth. The fact that you're an ambassador for this, tell me exactly what are you supposed to do?
Well, it's been 6 years since the Black Star International Film Festival was birthed. And as you can witness from the activities that has happened over this period of years, it has been amazing. They have achieved a lot in their quest to promote the African cinema worldwide. And so today we are here to celebrate our 6th edition. And basically, as an ambassador, I am to help promote the project. That's the BSIFF project. And then to make enough noise about what BSIFF intends to do for the film industry in Ghana and again the African cinema. And so with my reach on social media, especially since we're in the social media age, I think they found it worthy that I would represent the brand, because I have a large following and an international following as well, all the way from Big Brother, being a fashion icon, me being an actress, me being a TV presenter, has made me cut across all these areas of fan base. So I mean, I think who best to use to channel this cause and to help spread the word that the film industry has revived. A lot of people are saying that, I mean, it's collapsed and stuff like that, but the Black Star Film Festival is set to revive the industry as you can see, it's already happening. The president is giving out loans to some filmmakers for their projects. And so, yes, we are doing great and we can only go further.
Great. Thanks for the opportunity. Yes, so we've started. This is the opening. After today, we are going to have movie screening at the Silverbird Cinemas and then Alliance Française right here where we're having the opening. And then we have some master classes happening tomorrow. The first master class is from 4:30 to 6:30 about screenwriting. It's happening at Multi-Choice Ghana. And then we have a master class on stunt action also happening from 6:30 to 8:30 on the same day. Then the following day, more films are screening. So it's all about a celebration of independent filmmakers and independent filmmaking. So we are showing those films to Ghanaians and to audiences on our websites and as well as cinemas here in Ghana. So on Thursday too, we have a masterclass on the music business. We have the likes of Sadiq, the CEO of 3 Networks. We have Lisa, the country manager of Boomplay. We have Cyril, an entrepreneur, also a rapper. And then we have Kofi Boachi Ansa, I Am Beat Menace, also on there. So that discussion is going to be really hot, talking about the music business moving from passion to business. And then we have a masterclass on filmmaking, moving from passion to business. So we are everything is centered around the theme Film for Jobs. We are trying to communicate that the film industry has the capacity and the ability to mitigate the employment crisis in Africa and in Ghana, for instance, if attention is given to it. So everything that we are doing, every masterclass, every panel session is geared towards giving skills to filmmakers to make them capable and to continue the discussion about the ability of the film space to employ several people. So that's really what this year is about, the advocacy that the industry is capable if the authorities, governments, institutions, investors come in and invest in the film. I mean, the opening film we'll see is from Anthony Nti, who is a Ghanaian living abroad. And the film, he used Ghanaians, young Ghanaians. And it's amazing the acting that these kids display. And you ask yourself that, so why are these kids not being awarded? And that's the essence of film festivals. It unearths talents, new talents in the film space. And that's what the Black Star International Film Festival is all about. And that's what this year we are seeking to communicate.